We are getting it started today with Michelle Schneider, Director of Trading and Education at the Market Gauge Group. Mish, what are your thoughts about trading this week as we inch closer to that February jobs report due out on Friday?
Well, I'd say the biggest highlight of the stock market is that there is still an ambiance of hope in terms of the Fed not necessarily being as aggressive as what a lot of people say they have to be given the hot inflation numbers. And so what's really happened is instead of rallying or really falling apart, we're holding these very key support levels, 3,900 in the SPX. I think the resistance now would be 4,100. We get through there, 4,200. And we could play that dance for a while before the market resolves one way or another. And I think you have to remember that. This is stock picking time right now.
What's your trade of the day?
You know, there's so many things I'm interested in. So let's start with that. I mean, right now, Rivian reports this week. I'm going to be very interested in that stock if it reports well, gets through 20. But actually, I want to talk about, believe it or not, something probably nobody talks about called Century Aluminum. It is a commodity. It is in short supply, but it is not the futures. It's actually a company, CENX. And I just did some research, and after a big period of basing throughout 2022 and into this year, it's now crossing over some key moving averages here on a weekly basis. And so it kind of, on the daily chart, looks like it could really explode from here. And so I would keep an eye on that stock. And also that ties it into a little bit more of the fear of what happens with inflation if aluminum takes off.
Thank you, Mish.
Thank you.